I found the best free technical indicator that will help you to recognize the price action patterns trading Forex, gold, silver, or any other financial market. And watch this video until the end, because at the end of this video, I will show you how to set alerts to recognize new patterns. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Patterns do work. I trade price action patterns for more than 9 years, and I made a lot of money with them. The problem is, however, that there are a lot of price action patterns, and when you start trading, you don't know which pattern to trade. Moreover, after you choose the bunch of patterns to trade, it takes a very long period of time for you to learn to recognize these patterns. And this trading indicator will help you to spot them. Opening TradingView, click Indicators. Here choose Technicals, and here find Patterns button. Here is your indicator, all chart patterns. Click, and you immediately have the indicator on your chart, and immediately TradingView starts recognizing the patterns for you. Now let's study the settings of the indicator. In the top left corner, find the indicator and click Settings. In Inputs, you will find the list of the patterns that the software identifies for you, and here you can choose only the patterns that you want to trade. Also, a very important element here is the visibility, because for the default option, the software identifies only the patterns that you can trade, the patterns that are currently forming or the patterns that are already formed and that you can still trade. If you want to backtest certain patterns, I suggest choosing all. Doing that, you will see other historical patterns. However, traders, the main problem of the all chart patterns indicator is that it doesn't let you modify the settings for any particular pattern. For example, if you have some specific rules for double top formation that you want to check, you cannot find the settings here, but I have the solution for you. Here is the list of our patterns indicator, and below the all chart patterns indicator, you can find the indicators for all the patterns, the price action patterns, the candlestick patterns, and let's imagine that we want to trade just double top and double bottom. Let's add them on our chart, and let's discuss the settings. For now on, the indicators will identify only the double tops and double bottoms for you. And currently we can spot that double bottom formation is forming on gold. And if you open the settings for that indicator, you can see that you have a lot of options for setting up your criteria for a perfect double bottom formation. And here you can try different rules, here you can try different conditions, and here you can make the indicator recognize only the double bottoms, the double tops that you like, that you want. And there are a lot of ways to apply that technical indicator. The first option is to apply that for pattern recognition. If you decided to learn inverted head and shoulders pattern, this indicator will accurately show you these patterns on your chart. Secondly, with that technical indicator, you can backtest the efficiency of the pattern. You can backtest that on different financial markets, on different time frames, and with different conditions, with different settings. Also, you can apply this technical indicator to identify the patterns that are forming at the moment with alerts. Imagine that you decided to trade the rising and the falling wedge pattern on a dollar CAD pair. In order to not miss the formation of the pattern, you can apply the alerts. Here on the right, click on Clock and then click Create Alert. Here in Condition, choose Rising Wedge and then add message. Pattern is formed. And once the pattern, the rising wedge pattern, is formed on a dollar CAD pair, you will immediately get the notification from TradingView. By the way, remember that when you create the alert, you have the notification settings. And in notification settings, you can choose where you can get the notification. And personally, I apply notifying app so that I could get the alert on my phone. Let me know, traders, in the comment section if you want to see more videos about free useful trading indicators. Also, let me know if you have any questions. As always, traders, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to watch my other videos.